Once, Italy was a land of kingdoms, republics, and foreign rulers.
Then came the leaders who dared to dream of one united nation.
Garibaldi's red shirts ignited a fire of revolution across the peninsula.
This reorganization is essential for the stability of Europe. While Cavour fought not with guns, but with strategy, diplomacy, and clever politics.
And Victor Emmanuel II became the symbol of a new hope, deploying a united Italy.
Piece by piece, the dream became reality, until 1871, when Italy finally stood as one nation.
A story of courage, strategy, and unity that shaped the Italy we know today. For more amazing moments that changed history forever.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing history.